What's up? Today's video I'm going to show you how to make an AFK Spirit XP farm. So let's begin. First, obviously go into build mode, and then you're going to want to select the cannon. And then I like to do this, move it over here, and then rotate it, like that. And you can decrease the power to like 30. And then you want another cannon that goes into this one. So I'm going to do that real quick. There. So we have these two cannons going into each other, right? So that's most of the farm done. I can't get out. Now you want to place 2 checkpoints. Like this. One over here, and one next to it. Like that. So they're both in the path, right? Just gonna make it even, because why not? Okay. And that's the farm done. Now, all you have to do is just go in these cannons. And it's gonna be switching checkpoints and get some XP. So